For those that will be using code or HTML code that they need to paste into the editor to show on the website, there is a so-called code or source code toggle, and what that will do is it will show basically the HTML code in how the article is set up. So the header, the paragraph, the unordered list, etc., etc. The easiest sample of when to use this code is, for instance, you want to add a YouTube video and embed it. So in this case, you embed the video, and here they'll tell you to copy and paste the embedded code above to insert this video. So I'll copy that, and then after a closing paragraph there, I can then paste my code, as you can see there, and I can then toggle it back, and as you can see, it has then inserted that particular YouTube video in code. So we'll need to go to the website to really see that, but that's how you can paste HTML code or other codes into your editor. Again, just pasting it like this won't work. As you can see, it's not creating anything like that video, so you need to use the toggle button, as you can see there.